Hello everyone, today we are gonna fold an origami star or a ninja star, or as people like to call it, a shuriken. And this is a modular origami. Now as you all might be able to see, this is made up of two colors, a red, a pink and a blue, and I can try to open it up and you would see that there are these two pieces over here. So today our task is to fold these two pieces. Now mind you, these two pieces, they are actually different from each other. They are mirror images of each other. They are like my hands. My hands, although they are identical, but still I cannot just say that I can make this hand fit into the other one, because they are mirror images. Similarly, these two are mirror images. So today we'll see how to fold this. So for this, we start with a rectangle which is in the ratio of 1:2. What I mean by that is that if I try to fold this rectangle lengthwise, I would be able to get a square over here. Now to start folding, we'll actually fold this widthwise to get a rectangle which is in the ratio of 1:4. Now one important point to mention over here is that the only reason we are making it like this is so that our paper becomes thick. If you have already gotten quite thick paper, something like some chart sheet or some other papers which are thick, you can start with a paper which is in the ratio of 1:4. So for the left and the right, I like to differentiate them by thinking of them as going from bottoms up or top down. So if this is my top, then going down would give me one sort of a piece, and if this is my top, then this is my bottom. So bottoms up would give me the other piece. So let's start with this one here. Let's do a bottoms up. So this is my bottom part, and bottoms up would mean for me that I'm going to take this crease over here, so this corner crease, and I'm gonna put it on the top over here. So this corner comes on the top. So this crease coming on this, so this edge coming on this edge, while putting this corner on the top, this is my first. So this is a bottoms up. You can see I've taken this bottom and I've brought it up. The other part of the crease is taking this and folding the whole thing. So this edge coming on this edge over here, this half line which is created by this edge. So I'll just do it while I'm folding it along this point. And there we go. Okay. So I have gotten a triangle shape coming up over here. Now I turn this paper over and I will repeat. So we did a bottoms up. So again, this bottom coming up is here. And then repeat the whole process to get this shape. Okay. So we'll complete the design by taking these edges and folding them inside. Now I'm folding them on the inner part in this direction. Now there's this other direction in which you can see that there's this crease in the middle. So on the other side of the paper, I'll fold it. Okay, so there's no crease in the middle. There's no opening here in the middle. Okay. So at the end, you would get this parallelogram shape over here. Okay. So now we'll fold our other piece. So the previous one, similarly, we had folded it in half along the width. The previous one was a bottoms up. Now we'll do a top down. So this is my top and I'll have to bring it down. So this corner has to be brought down. Okay. So again, I'll do the same procedure, just mirroring it. So this edge coming on this edge here. So you can see this corner has been brought down. So top down. Now again, I'll take this edge and match it with this edge over here. Turn the paper over and again a top down. Okay. So similarly, I'll match this here. And there we have it. So to complete this, we just need to fold these inside over here, and there we go. So now you can see that I have gotten two pieces. Now these two pieces, I'll open them up for you all to see. You can see that these are mirror images of each other. If I flip this over so that these two match, you would see that this becomes a different piece, right? So these are mirror images. Okay. So how to fold it? How to actually make a shuriken out of this? So there's this part in which there's no flap. Here you can see that there's this flappy part. So we take these two and put them on top of each other. Okay. So what we are supposed to do is, this is a pocket and this is the socket. So we have to bring the socket inside the pocket. Okay. So I'll follow a very simple rule. Firstly, I'll just choose one and I'll put it inside here. Okay. So to put it inside properly, I'll open this and put this inside. Okay. Then I'll turn over. So this one I opened, right? So next I put this one inside. So if I try to put this one inside, I'll have to do it on this orange one, right? So I'll open it and closed. So this one I opened, right? So next again, I'll put it in this one. So I'll open this white and push this in. So last is the remaining one. Okay. So this remaining one, I'll have to do a little bit of exercise over here. So you can see that I already have this opening here. So there's this opening. This opening can be seen, right? So you all can see this opening here, this opening. So I'll take this white and I'll push this in here. So it's a bit of a tricky task. There we go. So there you have it, your origami ninja style. So it's quite a fun thing to make, and you can actually play it around and try making it nicely, and you can throw it and play it with your friends. They're just like darts. Happy folding!